The next page I want to go over is the resources page, or some call it the tools page. This is a page I suggest putting on your website if you're trying to make money as an affiliate, or just if you are building a website on a topic where people are going to come to your website to learn how to do that topic. It doesn't have to be about building an online business. It doesn't have to be about building a website. This could be anything from how to be a better baseball pitcher to how to be a better fisher. It could be how to learn better as a college student or how to make better smoothies. Any kind of topic like that has tools or resources that you use and might recommend. And while you might write about these kinds of things in your blog articles, or if you have a podcast or in other parts of your website, it's a good idea to have it all on one page in your resources page or on your tools page. So you can see here that I just have a most recommended resources section. I break it down according to what type of category this is in, whether it's for people building an online business, for people making videos. I have all my cameras, lenses, tripods, and these are linked out to Amazon products. Most of them. So all of these products I link out using Amazon, and I'm an affiliate for Amazon. So if someone buys a product on Amazon after clicking through this link, I make a little bit of income for referring them to Amazon at no extra cost to the person. Down below, I have online teaching platforms that I use. And then below that, I have my books and a resource that I give away. I don't have any other page for my books. I did once have a books page that was at the top. It had a link at the very top. But because I'm not as focused on writing books anymore, I didn't want that link to take up the real estate of the top menu. So I just put these books on the resources page itself. And again, I have my 7-step guide and opt-in on this page. If you are an affiliate, though, you have to announce it and make sure that people know that the links that you're using on this page are affiliate links. And typically it's at no additional cost to the person, but you got to make sure of that and announce that. You can't legally be sending people to products if you're an affiliate if you don't make it aware that you are that affiliate. Let's look at the other resources pages. We have Pat Flynn, who has broken down his resources page into his most recommended, exclusive deals that he's gotten with different websites or products, and then a specific category called the entrepreneurial journey, where people can actually filter the resources based off of where they are in their own entrepreneurial journey. Now, this is a very advanced kind of website design. This isn't something that you're going to be able to do easily with a slider like this, but you could create different pages or sections of your resource page that does break down resources depending on different categories. On College Info Geek, Thomas Frank does a similar thing where he has all of his resources. He breaks them down into category, such as studying and learning tools, gear and physical tools, writing, note-taking tools, etc. But you could also filter them according to the category. I hope what you're understanding with these past few videos is that you need to make it easy for people to find what they're looking for. Your homepage does this, your Start Here page does this, your menus do this, and now on your resource page, you need to make sure that it's easy for people to find the content they're looking for. He also has different types of resources. So similar to what Pat Flynn has with the entrepreneurial journey, Thomas Frank has the college packing guide. So for people who are going to college, he has this packing guide, and he's able to link out to all of this stuff that I'm sure he's an affiliate for and making money as an affiliate for. With Simple Green Smoothies, they don't have a technical tools or resources page that's linked to on their homepage menu, but they do have this nutrition plans link and the recipes plan, which is kind of like a resource page. They have their blenders right here, which I'm sure they are affiliates for as well. So because their business is based off of smoothies, they're probably making a decent amount of affiliate income by referring people to these blenders and these nutrition books. So they're not just stuffing them onto a resource or tools page that not everyone's going to see. They're making it a big link and creating separate pages for these tools and resources that people will need if they want to make smoothies. So this is a good example of a website that is a very niche topic, and because it's niche, maybe the tools and resources aren't as broad, and so they only have a few types of resources that they promote. So why not create a separate link in the menu for them? Time and time again, from all kinds of business and website creators, I found that they have resource pages. And like I've been saying, I use other people's websites that are working as inspiration for my own. And so that's why I created a resource page. And that's where actually a lot of people end up going, and a lot of people click through these links. And that's where I actually have a ton of traffic going to from my homepage or from people that visit my website in the first place. Use these tips and tricks to create a resources page of your own. And of course, make sure that you look up other websites that are in your niche and see what types of resource pages that they have as well.